Getting into an area called Amity Island. That's right, people, we're heading into the home of Jaws. And you're looking under the tram, you can see that the beaches are closed, but Mayor Vaughn wants you to know that the beaches are going to reopen. That's right. We have caught that killer shark. You can actually see him on the right-hand side of the tram just hanging out. In fact, we sent my friend George in the water. He's a police diver. He's making sure that the waters are safe for us to go back into, all right? So let's go catch up with my buddy George and see how he's doing. Hey, George, can you hear me? Hey, George? I don't think George can hear me underwater. Oh, well, whoa. Everybody else, the shark. And George is still in there. All right, people, I need your help. At a count of three, shout George. 1, 2, 3. George! Thank you, George. Buddy. Wait, where'd the shark go? George, there was a shark, you know? No! Oh, everybody, this is terrible. George was such a beautiful person on the inside and out. And now George's insides are out. That's okay, folks. We've got a plan. And we're going to pull forward and we're going to hide behind these super safe barrels of gasoline. And in the waters, there's a barrel that is full of bait. If the shark takes that, we should be safe. Let's see what happens. Folks, I think we're going to need a bigger tram. Congrats, everybody. You just survived a shark attack from Jaws. All right, I want to see who here paid attention at school. On a count of three, everybody shout out what type of shark that was. Y'all got it? Okay, count of three. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. No, plastic. It's a plastic shark. So that mechanical shark was added to the studio tour all the way back in the year 1976, a year after the movie Jaws released in theaters. Now, a lot of people think that the movie Jaws filmed here at the studio. It did not. That movie filmed on location. They filmed over on the East Coast in Martha's Vineyard. A lot of that movie was filmed in the Atlantic Ocean. This is a theme park attraction added to the tour about a year after the movie Jaws came out. Oh, and in fact, the mechanical shark that you watch us experience, the one we have here at the studio, is very different than the mechanical shark that was seen on screens in the movie Jaws. You know what the biggest difference is? Ours works.
That's a much refined shark. The shark was frustrated. It didn't really work all the time. It didn't work hardly at all.
Wherever you were on the island, you could hear the radio waves. They were always saying, the shark is not working. Repeat, the shark.
We just waited around. We just waited and waited and waited. The shark was blowing up for a while there, and it was so I really overslept a lot.
Yeah, so the story is that 3 mechanical sharks were built here in Los Angeles for the movie Jaws. They were built for fresh water, and they had all of these fancy electronics and mechanics, and it went fine. But they flew them out to the East Coast where the movie Jaws is being made. They dropped them into the Atlantic Ocean, and then they sunk to the bottom of the ocean floor. You know what does not work very well with electronics and mechanics? The salt water. Those mechanical sharks failed left and right and delayed production on the movie Jaws for about 3 months. The cast and the crew of the movie Jaws had so many issues with those sharks that they gave the movie Jaws a nickname. They nicknamed the movie Flaws. But they would do some amazing direction by Steven Spielberg, some great performances by the cast, and some amazing editing by Brenda Fields, the woman who edited the movie Jaws, and then won the Academy Award that year for her work on the movie Jaws. The movie is a smash success. Ooh, okay.
If you want to watch the full version, click this video on the left, or want to watch a video that recommend for you, click this video on the right. Finally, thank you for watching.